In this lesson we're going to script the winner scene. So as and when the players completed the levels in its entirety, they are then presented with a well done screen. We've created this earlier, so we don't need to go into that type of thing. But what we're going to do in addition to this, we're going to put your total score, and we're going to put the score from the game manager at the end of the game here, so they can get some feedback of the results. Okay, so exactly the same thing. So open the winner scene. With the winner scene selected, add a new script, and again, similar to what we did in the game over scene, there's no need for any signals or anything like this. We just have a label which will have the total score on it. So if I click onto the 2D and click on the label, you'll notice that's where it's going to be. Now, very similar to when we created things earlier, we've put a font on this. So you can see we've put a font on it, we've put a font size on it. You can do font colors and all kinds, but just for now we'll use that. But what we're going to do in the code, so click on the code there, we have very similar to do with the label. So you can see total score. Now this total score is based on this total score node. Remember, the $sign is addressing that node directly. So it's total score.text equals, then we're coming back to the game manager. See how useful this game manager is for many different things. So we're going to address the score, so equals the string of the actual number that's in the game manager score. Then we put a wait time of 3 seconds in this particular case, and then we change the main menu. So what will happen is when we run this scene, it will put, tell you what, let's just put in the game manager, let's just put let me see, score, let's say 400, and then we can save that. And then we're going to go back to the winner scene. Script there. And then we can run that scene and see what happens. So well done. And then I've put 400. That gets whatever score is on your game manager. Then it goes back to the main menu. Okay. Now, I'll give you a couple of seconds to update that code. Again, I've put the comments here, so if I just take them down a little bit so you can see what's going on from there. Okay, so if you want to put that code down there and then try and test it and run it. It's very important you test it to make sure it runs properly. Okay, so you can test that scene, make sure it runs properly. If it doesn't, make sure the code's correct. And next time we'll be looking at creating a level timer script. That's a really useful piece of scripting. And I'll see you then.